This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a WordPress site. First, you will need to choose a domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Then, select a web hosting provider to store all your website's files. Many hosting companies offer excellent plans for around $5 to $10 per month, and most include a free domain name for the first year. This foundational step is crucial for your site's online presence. Once you have your domain and hosting, the next step is installing WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a very straightforward one-click installation process, often found within your hosting control panel, like cPanel. Look for an icon labeled WordPress or Auto Installer. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which usually take less than 5 minutes, and remember to create a secure administrator username and password. After installation, log in to your WordPress dashboard using the credentials you just created. This is your site's control center. Head over to the Settings menu to configure essential details. Here, you can update your site's title and tagline, set your time zone, and choose a user-friendly permalink structure. A good permalink structure, like post name, is vital for search engine optimization. Now for the fun part, customizing your site's look and adding functionality. Explore the Appearance menu to choose a theme. There are thousands of free and premium options available. Then, install essential plugins for security, search engine optimization, and contact forms. Many plugins are free, while others might cost $20 to $50. Finally, start creating your content, like your About Us page and your first blog post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.